viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So yes, today we are going to also discuss about Binance Smart Chain wallets, and in this video I'm giving you information how to connect your Binance Smart Chain wallet with SushiSwap. Yes, I know you already understand about SushiSwap. If you want to swap your one coin to other coins, so you can easily connect your wallet with that website. So in this video I'm giving you complete information, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button if you need to get new notification from my YouTube channel. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. Kindly subscribe this YouTube channel also, and like videos and share with your family and friend. So we will first of all I'm going to open CoinMarketCap, and we will discuss about how we can connect our wallet with SushiSwap. Sometimes you need to convert one coin to other coin, so you can connect your wallet with SushiSwap. You can see here CoinMarketCap is open in front of me. I'm just simple click on CoinMarketCap, and this time Bitcoin price is almost $25,000. You can see here $24,000 and $63, and Ethereum price almost $2,000. So Ethereum I think in 7 days 16% up. So we just check the rank of SushiSwap from the CoinMarketCap website. If they check the rank of SushiSwap in top 100, then I think it's 150 number, almost 50-55 number, but there is not shown. So what will I do? I simple go to the search bar area, and directly from search area you can see here there is search option. Simple click on it and type here SushiSwap. Yes, you can see here. I've clicked on it. Now SushiSwap is open in front of me, and rank is 148 number, and this price is $1.58. And if we are going to check the price graph of SushiSwap, so I just simple click on all. When the graph will be open in front of me, whole graph, you can see here all-time high almost $22, but today price is $1.58, almost 90% down from all-time high. You can see here when launch is only $1 and instantly peak $10, and but all-time high is $22. You can also trade on this token in Binance Smart Chain and other big exchanges. SushiSwap is example of an automated market maker AMM and popular tool among cryptocurrency users. This is a decentralized exchange. You can also visit the website, official website. You can see here sushi.com. I have clicked on it. Now sushi.com is open in front of me, and you can see here BRD5 chef with Sushi. Swap, earn, stake, yield, land, borrow, leverage, all on one in one decentralized community driven platform. Welcome to home and DeFi. I think you read the Sushi price is $1.58 and total liquidity $1.79 billion, and total volume is $225 billion. Total pair is 1500k, almost 15k, and there is shown multi-chain AMA and Sushi staking If you need to stake your token, so you can use second option, enter Sushi stake. I'm going to click on it, and you just simple click on enter app if you want to connect your Binance Smart Chain wallet with this platform. Click on it. Now app is going to open front of me. You can see here the SushiSwap official app is open front of me, where you can easily swap your token one to other token, and also going to open staking area in second tab. But we are going to discuss first of all swap area. If you need to swap your token and you can connect your Binance Smart Chain wallet, there is option, you directly click on trade or click on swap, or you can connect your wallet. If you need to connect your Binance Smart Chain wallet, so simple click on connect to a wallet. Like me, I have clicked on it. You can see here there is shown other wallets like injected Coinbase wallet and wallet connect, and you can see here on second last the Binance is available here, means you can connect your Binance Smart Chain wallet with SushiSwap. Simple click on it. When you click on it, if you have already installed Binance Smart Chain wallet in the browser, then the pop-up will be open front of you. Like me, you can see here the pop-up is going to open. This maybe take some time for the opening and connecting with your wallet. Now you can see your browsing start here, and app.sushi.com would like to connect to your account. This site is requesting access to view your current account. So yes, I am going to connect. After click on connect, so your wallet will be connected in a minute. Now my Binance Smart Chain wallet with connected SushiSwap platform, you can see here they have shown my wallet address. If I click on it, so this is my wallet address of Binance Smart Chain wallet, and you can see here they have shown the connected. If you need to disconnect, so simple click on it. After you can use this website. So when you connect your wallet with this, so your balance will be shown in this portion. You can see here 0 BNB, your right top corner. Let's suppose you have a balance in your BNB and you want to change or swap other tokens. Simple select the second option, and there is big list available, which is one you want to use. Let's suppose I want to buy USDT or swap USDT from BNB to. Also you want to enter amount. I have not any balance this time, but you can use same scenario if you need to swap your one coin to other coin. 0.10. So I have entered amount here. If you have a balance on this your wallet, so then you will get 32 USDT. If you are going to pay 0.10 BNB, you will get 32 BNB, and 1 USDT price against BNB 0.003. And you can also check the legacy from this option. You can see here there is shown price impact 0.17%, minimum received after slippage 32.52, and liquidity provider fees 0.30% only. After check the all information, you just simple click on swap button, then your amount will be deducted BNB from your Binance Smart Chain wallet, and you will receive in your Binance Smart Chain wallet USDT. So you can easily swap one coin to other coin on this platform. So viewers, I hope you properly understand. And if you need to stake your token, so you can use second option, staking area. You can see here there is stake Sushi. It's also depend on you. I'm not giving you any financial advice. It's totally depend you. If you want to stake your coin, so you must complete your research before. After that you will do this. So if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me my email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comment below this video. And you can also get same information in Urdu language. Then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency World. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.